Penny, come here. Penny. Goldberg, where are you at? Goldberg. The chicken just went back inside. He's looking, look, he's afraid to come out. It's too cold for him. It's too cold for Goldberg. Penny's playing. And here comes someone else. There's a little kitty. Go inside. Hi, kitty. He's all wet. He doesn't like this stuff either. Here, kitty. Kitty. Penny. 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 Here we go. Ready? Ready? Did you get it? Here, Penny.